The Kuwaiti resistance groups led by the officer in Kuwait Army Sheikh Athbi al-Fahad al-Sabah during the Iraqi invasion of Kuwait executed. The one-of-a-kind resisting mission, their aim was shooting down the Iraqi military Boeing Jampo Jet 747 by Strela. Missiles Sheikh Athbi al-Fahad had stashed previously to missiles were launched from the rooftop of an under-construction building. The first missile missed the target. The second one hit one of the engines, prompting emergency landing in Al-Busr, Iraq, resulting numerous injuries, and around 60 dead. Between Republican guards and army officers were on board, and a massive damage